Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can delete Chrome extensions on your Google Chrome browser. So deleting Chrome extensions, this can actually help you fix a lot of issues that you are facing on your Google Chrome, like slow downloading or Google Chrome that is not taking too long to respond. Deleting the Chrome extensions, especially problematic extensions like the extensions that you're not using, and also if you're facing the different errors like owl snap error, something like all of the errors that you're facing on your Google Chrome. One of the best solutions, I mean one of the best solutions to fix that issue, any of that issue, is to delete Chrome extensions. So I will show you on how you can delete the Chrome extensions. Now let's bring up and open our Google Chrome browser. So in the Windows search bar, type here Chrome. Best match, Google Chrome. Go ahead and click on that. Now here in your Google Chrome browser, you need to locate the three dots. You can find that in the top right corner. This is to customize and control Google Chrome. Now you have to click on that. Scroll down and you will find extension. That's under tab groups extensions. Now once you click on extensions, click on manage extensions. And this will show you all the extensions on your Windows. So if you find that extension that is unnecessary and also problematic extension, then you can simply remove that extension. So how can you do that? Or you can simply delete that. Just simply click on this remove button and then click on remove once again. Remove button and then remove once again. Now simply close this and click on remove and then remove once again. And just simply close this and then remove button and then remove once again. So this is how you can delete the Chrome extensions on your Windows. So once you deleted the Chrome extensions, if you're facing an issue with your Google Chrome, I've told you earlier that this is one of the best solutions if you're facing an issue on your Google Chrome, deleting its extensions, especially problematic and unnecessary extensions. So that's just a pretty simple video and I hope this helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.